ऑफ टेरेन एंड वेरी गुड फॉर माई फार्म एक्चुअली. खेतों में घुमाने के लिए अच्छी है ये. गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन. आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग फाइन एंड आप सब लोग खुश हो और तंदुरुस्त हो. So I just woke up. It's 5:45 in the morning and this is the time around when I wake up. और ये एक छोटा सा कॉर्नर है मेरे रूम में, मेरे बेड के साइड में. And I have kept a lot of green plants over here. I'm very fond of plants. And that's a Mahatma Buddha statue over here. इसमें एक छोटी सी लाइट है and some water flowing out. और इसकी जो पानी की आवाज़ है, it's very soothing to my ears when I sleep. I really like it. And that's a little red lamp over there. ये भी महात्मा बुद्ध हैं. And usually जब मैं उठता हूँ तो मैं यहाँ पर around 10-15 मिनट बैठता हूँ. I do say my prayer and that's how my day starts. Good morning everyone. So that's my morning breakfast. This is what I have as a pre-workout meal. So I have this around like 2 hours before I hit the gym. So this is around 6:30 a.m. in the morning and around 9ish I would be hitting the gym and it's leg day today. So these are 10 egg whites, 2 yellows in it, a slice of bread, maybe 2 sometimes, and these are almonds. And I just got sent these this peanut butter by Cassava and they have sent me 4 flavors of 1 kg packing each. So this is a creamy sweetened one. This is another one. This is creamy unsweetened. It's in the natural flavor. ये है crunchy sweetened, and this is creamy chocolate. To satisfy my chocolate cravings, which I have a lot many times. So it's my leg day today. So what I do is I usually do legs twice a week. So I do a quad oriented leg day once. And the other leg day would be inner thighs, hams and glutes oriented. This is my off season and I'm weighing around 110 kgs right now. So in my off season my legs they really grow. They grow like anything. So this is the kind of a very normal Tainur ke kneecaps मैं use करता हूँ. But वो gaining में मेरे thighs में बड़े जाते हैं. They start to roll up. जैसे roll हो जाते हैं. Even the new ones, here we go. इतना आसान नहीं है टैंक बनना. लोग बहुत समझ नहीं आते. ये मुझे ऐसी किसी किस्म की प्रोटेक्शन पसंद नहीं है. शोल्डर पैड्स, ग्लव्स, हेलमेट. I don't like protection man. बात ही नहीं है. I'm done with my squats. Actually, I wasn't well since like a month now. I just started to come to the gym again, and so I'm back kind of way. And so I did 5 sets of squats. I did a reverse pyramid. I kept on adding plates every set. I'm still trying to get my the strength back. So I did around 5 sets. The last one was around I think 180 or I don't know 190 for 4 or 5 reps. And now I'll be starting off with the hack squat. I'll be doing again 4 or 5 sets of hacks. So basically I'm just trying to get back into the groove or apna trying to get do my best be at my best again. So I'll be doing hack squats for again 5 sets. So while I'm doing my quad oriented leg day, I'm making these 2 little brothers of mine do the hamstring, inner thigh and glutes oriented leg day. So I'm making them do sumo squats. So this is my last exercise. वो जो क्या होता है वो जो दूध देती है क्या कहते हैं यार उसको यार, दवा नहीं चलता एक तो लेटने वाले वो तो दूध देती है यार, गोबर भी करती है गाय। गाय के बच्चे को क्या कहते हैं इंग्लिश में? काफ। हाँ काफ लगा रहा हूँ मैं, 4 साल लगाऊंगा काफ के। दिमाग नहीं चल रहा ना भाई, क्या करें। मैं डबल स्क्वीज is a kind of a tip, you know. It always works very well for me actually. क्या कर रहा है? सीधे किया ना? अरे काफ कट के मारूंगा। So I just got done with my workout. So now I'm on my way to Gurdwara Sahib Sector 8, which is my favorite Gurdwara in Chandigarh. And though I'm not a very regular goer to a Gurdwara Sahib or to any for that matter any religious place, but yes, sometimes I do love going over there. My mom wanted to go today, so I came from the gym. I took a quick shower. ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਚੱਲ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ। ਉੱਥੇ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸੈਕਟਰ 8 ਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਗੁਰਦੁਆਰਾ ਦਿਖਾਣੇ ਚੰਡੀਗੜ੍ਹ ਦਾ। That's for me it's the most beautiful Gurdwara in our beautiful city of Chandigarh. I'll show you in a while. And we have reached Sector 8, the Gurdwara in Chandigarh. Alright, so I'm on my way to check out this new Mahindra Jeep. I drive a Isuzu truck right now, and I don't know if most of you might not be knowing that I am also happen to be the brand ambassador of it. And but the new Mahindra Jeep really intrigues me. Actually, the petrol version really is very exciting. This is a new thing that they have come up with, and it's 150 bhp. So I'll be there at the showroom in a while, and more than me, actually my mom is very excited. She wants me to go for a change now, but I'm not very sure because I've also heard that they are coming up with a 5-door very soon. So I'll be waiting for the 5-door to come actually, but definitely I'm on my way. So देखते हैं कैसे लगती है Mahindra petrol version, this Mahindra Thar. It's not gonna be my first Mahindra vehicle, it's gonna be my second. So I used to have a Scorpio which I drove for almost like 8 to 9 years I think, and I was very very happy with the vehicle. I think Mahindra engine is really good, and I also have a Mahindra tractor, so I have a very old connection with the Mahindras. Acha, and that's how it looks from the inside. Extremely spacious, I would say, as compared to the earlier version of Thar. And that's a very good friend of mine. He used to be in Isuzu and now he is in Mahindra. Isuzu को तो मैं endorse भी करता था. I'm pretty sure Mahindra ਦਾ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨਗੇ. I'll endorse Mahindra as well.
Booking ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ available ਹੈ.
Petrol ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ hard top ਹੈ. Petrol hard top and automatic.
ਹਾਂਜੀ.
This is what I'm looking for. है ना? And that's the engine, the M-Hawk engine. Scorpio का, जो Scorpio में भी यही होता है. And the petrol version is 150 bhp, which is like I think very very solid, खतरनाक. 150 bhp बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. And the diesel is 130. Diesel is 130 भाई.
130 bhp.
Yeah, 1855 mm width है. तो इसकी width पुरानी की तो कम होती थी. पुरानी कितनी थी?
1736.
हाँ, तो कम से ऑलमोस्ट 100 mm इसकी विड्थ ज़्यादा है. तो बहुत चौड़ी लगती है देखने में, बिल्कुल रैंगलर वाली फील है. एक्चुअली रैंगलर जीप की फील है. तो इसका ग्राउंड क्लियरेंस भी ज़्यादा है, सो इट इज़ वेरी गुड फॉर योर ऑफ रोडिंग. इट्स M-Hawk Mahindra engine, and I think it's very good for obviously for the off terrain and very good for my farm actually. खेतों में घुमाने के लिए अच्छी है ये. Very powerful but very sleek from inside I would say. सीट सीधियाँ ਅੱਗੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀਆਂ. ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੀ ਬੂਟ ਸਪੇਸ ਦਿਖਾਓ ਭਾਈ ਕਿੰਨੀ ਕੁ ਬਣ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ. And that's how it looks from the rear. The 255 the 18 profile, this is what they are giving. Baki obviously you can adjust that. ਐਂਡ ਤੇ ਇਹ ਸੀਟਾਂ ਖੜੀਆਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ
नहीं खड़े
ਅੱਛਾ ਓਕੇ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ so that's the boot space not bad I would say